guys, it's Magneto back again with another juicy little spicy video, and hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we are going to take a look at the newest shotgun in our game. You can get it through the battle pass at the tier 21. Anyone can get it. It's a free reward, and it's the Echo or the Origin 12. It's from the Modern Warfare 2019, and I have unlocked the gold and platinum, but the game gave me the platinum skin or camo before the gold. I don't know why. It might be some kind of glitch, or I don't know. Tell me in the comments that did you also get the platinum before the gold. Anyways, both of the skin looks disgusting on the Echo, cause the platinum or the gold doesn't goes over the barrel, so it looks absolutely disgusting. Here's the in-game look of the platinum camo on it. As I said earlier, it looks bad, and without any further ado, let's jump in the gameplay. Let's go. Let's get some quick little kills right here. One, let's go. It's so easy to use, man. You just have to hold this, and another focus right off the back of the game. Let's find some more and more. You are dead as well, and the guy just spawned in front of me with the DRS, man. Feels bad. Anyways, okay, teammate killed you. You are dead anyways, and you are dead also, Vanguard. Okay, you are dead. Okay. Team, I at least got one kill, so I don't mind. You are dead. Oh no! I should have done ADS that one. Anyways, I'll suggest you all to ADS in kind of longer ranges and just hip fire in range. And let's. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Can't find it. I got shot from the right side.
I'm down!
Oh, freak. Okay, he's got bars.
I got shot!
Anyway. Dude, he's using. Feels bad. Let's get some kills. Oof, this feels good. Oh my god! The fact that it's an auto shotgun and it can one tap, that's crazy.
Enemy in sight!
Anyways, you are dead as well. Oh no. Well, you are dead as well. Okay, Vanguard. You dude, the Pharaoh using bot.
Lost.
These bots will never.
I got shot!
They should do something with these bots, man. They are ultra annoying. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Oh, there you are. Oh no.
Targets in sight.
Oh, there you go. Let's go. Kill both of them. And here's another. Oh, I one tapped him. What? He might be low. You are dead. Oh, you are dead. Oh, teammate, stop yoinking my kills. What the heck? That was an OP clip, dude.
Reloading.
No, teammate killed him. You are dead. Oh,
I got shot.
No. I messed up. My bad.
Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have hardpoint is ours.
Enemy contact.
Yo, teammates are too good. You are dead. You both. Oh, that's nice. You are dead as well. Oh, this feels so good, man. This feels like zero brain activity, dude. Just aim and just hold your shoot button. That's it. Okay. Anyways, it can't compete. RPD. Long ranges. And one tapped him. Oh, that was a collateral. Nice. You. What the heck? Shoot button was not working. What? Oh. Oh, I almost got a quad
Enemy
shoot, dude.
contact! I got shot!
Oh, this gun feels so good, man. This
Objective
is
almost
the.
complete. Keep it up.
This will be all over the rank, man. I'm telling you.
Hostiles
I'm
have
telling
captured
you.
the hard point.
I'm just.
Hard point locked down.
I can just predict the future.
Hostiles have the hard point.
It is all over the game,
Hard point is
and
ours.
if you are using the 25 round mag, it's toxic AF. It's toxic AF, dude. You can just spray,
I'm down!
you know.
Hard
Anyways,
point
I'm
lost.
dead by the RPD user again.
Reloading!
Feels
Capture the
bad.
objective. Hard point locked
Anyways.
down. Hostiles have the hard
Killed
point.
him again. You are dead by my teammate again.
I'm hurt!
You are dead.
Hard
One
point
tap
is
them.
ours.
Feels good. And that's the game. I wonder how many kills I got. This gun feels so good. This gun just feels so good. Look at that. Bro, you might be thinking, what the hell? How did you one tap him? Holy crap. Holy crap. And I don't know why they have put the freaking 4x or whatever this sight is on the legendary blueprint of this gun. Oh, I'm the MVP, 5,210 points.
Mission accomplished.
Get the
Good work.
gun to the 45th level. Let's go. Oh, got 3 XP card. How many kills I got? 44. I'll take that. Nice.